today I'm going to review the Sonos Arc. I purchased the Sonos Arc from Addicted to Audio in Victoria. It was $13.95 and I got it same day delivery, which I was really happy about. You can see here Marley's pretty excited by the new Sonos Arc. So we're gonna get right into unboxing. So normally I don't do unboxing videos, but this box is just splendid. So to open it, it's got two clips on each side. And it's got a nice handle here for transportation. So it comes in a fabric to protect it, some bubble wrap, etc. You've got manuals. Comes with a power cable, the unit, and an HDMI cable. Power cable goes in here, HDMI on the other side, and you've got an Ethernet port there as well. There's some touch controls on the unit itself, so you've got volume down, volume up, play, pause. You've got a button here to mute.
The mic is muted. The mic's
or turn the mic back on. And no buttons on this side, it's touch control. I got a black unit, which does tend to get a little dusty, but it's very easy to clean. You just wipe it because it's plastic. It's not like fabric where you get dust stuck to it. Now everything about this is just really stylish. You can see here that it fits perfectly with my Samsung 75-inch TV. Nicely in between the stand. I mean, you couldn't get a better fit than that. One thing you do want to do is you want to make sure you plug this into your HDMI Arc port. This allows you to control the TV via the Sonos. Hey Google, turn on Sonos.
Alright, turning Sonos on.
It also has Alexa built in as well, though I prefer Google personally. So I'd researched quite a lot of other sound bars, and I know this one is quite a bit more expensive, but I really like the fact that it had Dolby Atmos, which means it can fire signals up to the ceiling and the sound comes in behind you to create an overhead effect. So it's quite good for movies where it's raining or you've got, say, like a helicopter flying above you. Something to be mindful of is that this does not have Bluetooth. It's fully wireless, so you connect it to your Wi-Fi along with all your other devices. Another reason why I picked the Sonos is because I live in an apartment and I didn't want a huge amount of bass. So if you're looking for something that puts out really good sound but not overbearing bass that's going to annoy your neighbors, this is probably quite a good soundbar to look for. The unit itself is also wall mountable, which is an added bonus, though I've just sat mine on my TV cabinet. So as always with my product reviews, I like to give a live demo, and I hope you can hear just how good this product sounds, because I don't think this video will do it true justice. Only thing is you can't see the volume control on the TV, but you can control it via the Sonos app. So it's essentially a 5.0 setup. If you want to make it a 5.1, just add a subwoofer. You still get quite a bit of bass out of the system though. Personally, I think the unit is probably a little bit overpriced, but you are paying for the style, the name, the smart Google Assistant that all comes with it. If you're looking for a bit more bass, then perhaps look for a soundbar that comes with a woofer. Personally, I'm living in an apartment and I didn't want huge amounts of bass. This still puts out quite a bit of bass though for what it is, and it's all one unit, which I'm really happy about, so it doesn't take up too much space or clutter your lounge. When I move into my own property, I'll probably be looking to get the Sonos sub at some stage and perhaps add 2 rear speakers, although it does a really good job of surround. It's got such a wide sound stage, and if you're watching a movie with surround sound, it really does sound like you get sound coming from all directions. I hope this review has been helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and feel free to comment below if you have any questions.